Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your old EZ-FLO tanks from this to this. We have created two new retrofit kits. The first one is called the Cap HPF, and it comes with dip tubes that you'll need to cut to the proper length. It also comes with a threading adapter with O-rings and a new style cap with an easy feed setting adjustment knob. The manual here shows you what length dip tube you need to cut based off the tank size you have. Keep in mind the fittings do not count as part of the length, so keep the fitting right here at the top and then measure and cut. Then take your other dip tube and do the same. Be sure to take a look at the owner's manual to attach each dip tube to the appropriate side. The green side gets the filter and the blue side gets the agitation fitting. Take the first O-ring and place it on the inside of the cap. Notice how the inside of the cap thread matches the outside thread of the adapter. The inside thread of the adapter matches the old style tank. I found this tank out in the field. It's been well used, so don't mind the dirt. We'll first start by removing the cap. Then you're going to take the adapter and you're going to place that over the nipple and screw that on there. And then finally take your new style cap, place it over the adapter and screw it on. The second kit is called the FVRTO, and it comes with an adapter, two O-rings, and the fill cap. It replaces the ball valve on the old tank and makes it shorter. The first O-ring goes inside the adapter. Screw that on there, and then the second O-ring goes on top, and then screw on the fill cap. You have now gone from this to this. Your old EZ-FLO system now has new life.